Magic. You're gonna love the way this beauty can chop, mince, slice, and dice in just seconds. Chopping vegetables the old way takes forever. It's tough work and such a mess. Well, not with Chop Magic. Go ahead, chop a whole onion in 1 second. No odor and no tears. Julienne pepper, squash, and zucchini in just 3 seconds. That's a stir fry that makes other choppers cry. It's even strong enough to go through solid sweet potatoes, like a warm knife through butter, yet easily chops delicate tomatoes to perfection. Now make fresh egg salad, healthy coleslaw, or delicious party dips in no time. The secret? 12 ultra-sharp stainless steel precision blades that guarantee uniform results every time. It's so fast and easy, you can chop all the meats, cheeses, and fixins for a supersized salad bar in a fraction of the time. Why hassle with a knife and messy cutting board? Chop Magic's catch container keeps your kitchen clean and doubles as a 6-cup mixing and measuring container. Snap on the dicing blade and instantly prepare fresh fruit salads, zesty salsa, or a mountain of garlic without it sticking to your hands. And look, everything stores inside, which makes it the ultimate space saver. Plus, it's all dishwasher safe. Now, during this exclusive TV-only offer, you can get Chop Magic for just $19.95.